Okay, I found the 1853 mill. This was also burned to the ground by the federal government in 1864. And I'm not sure, I believe this may have been restored, but built again. The 1839 was not used ever again, but this was, I believe, was used again until the 1920s. Not positive about that, but sounds right. Just obviously phenomenal, brickwork, stonework, just incredible. With the original boilers and everything, whatever all that machinery is that makes everything turn to help you turn raw product into finished product. Textile mill. Here's another original wall. Here's some more foundation, brick foundation here. Done a good job with keeping this restored. Got some more brick. I couldn't begin to tell you how this all laid out, other than there was something out in the water that caught the water, more or less a paddle wheel of some sort, turbine, something that caught the power of the water, caused whatever it was attached to it, some sort of rod, to turn, and that would have powered, a pulley or something to create the power. Here we go. Pause this and get a good read of what makes the mill go. Just explained everything that I couldn't. There was a turbine in the water. Turn this. Oh, I'm sorry, here's the overshot of the water wheel. Okay, so it was basically a big paddle wheel. Very cool. It's very exciting. This is all original. Every bit of this 1853 original. And this, we would have been standing inside of a structure right now. This would have been, there's all sorts of bricks that are just dispersed willy-nilly over the century. And some. And here's some more here. There's some more ruins for this stuff. Some walls, obviously. Chimney, obviously. Like we've seen in some of the other structures we visited recently, it was the fieldstone, and then the finished on top were brick. They would have had to be seriously leveled to make those bricks work. Incredible masonry work here. These big, huge walls. More walls going up top. I take you up and around Let you get a really good view of the not only the walls up here, but the machinery down below. The glare is blinding. I can't tell from the viewfinder what's being seen or not, so it's more than usually jumpy there. I can understand why. Oh, very exciting here. It looks like it must have been some kind of a paddle wheel. I guess it makes as much sense as anything else that they would have made it out of metal and not wood. Iron. Not sure when steel came into place. I think it was in the early 20th century when we developed the ability to make steel from iron. And then through the foliage here, you can't see it, but there's another enormous brick wall runs all the way down here. So that's pretty exciting to be able to come and see this. It's pretty extraordinary. Looks like at one point they had some electricity here. So this here must not have been 19th century then. This must have all been powered by electricity. And what we saw on the other side was strictly powered by water. Exciting stuff, man.